looks pretty grand, right? Big borders, antique buttas, brocade blouse, checks all the boxes for a grand sari. But you know what? You get all these saris just in the price range of 1500 to 2000. Yes, you heard it right. Presenting Banarasi Cottons by Prashanti. Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's video, we are going to see some rich and classy Banarasi cotton saris. All the saris that I'm going to show you today are Kotas and Chanderis with rich Banarasi borders and antique zari woven buttas. Very, very classy and stylish saris in an affordable range. Let's get started. First one for today. It's a very pretty green Banarasi Kota sari with rich Bawanji borders and antique golden zari on either sides. The body has got small zari woven buttas running throughout the sari. That's the pallu. Contrast pallu in pink. This has got a brocade blouse priced at 2050. Grey with red. Another gorgeous sari with selvage in red on either sides. Simple meenakari zari woven borders on both sides of the sari with the body having floral zari woven buttas. That's the pallu. Simple contrast pallu in antique golden zari. This has got a brocade blouse priced at 1690. Red, bright and beautiful color with antique zari woven borders on either sides. The entire body has got very pretty thread and zari woven floral pattern running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich self pallu. This has got a brocade blouse priced at 1860. Deep navy blue, a very pretty color with kadi zari borders, zigzag weaves running along the entire body. That's the pallu, very, very subtle and classy. This has got a plain blouse in navy blue priced at 1650. Yellow and red. One more beautiful sari with rich Banarasi borders and floral pattern. The body has got thread and zari woven floral buttas running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu. This has got a brocade blouse priced at 2090. Green and red. Traditional color combination with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides. Small zari woven buttas running all over the sari with a classic rich self pallu. That's the pallu. This has got a plain blouse in green and red priced at 1690. Off-white and red. A very classy and elegant sari with contrast plain borders in red on either sides. Geometric zari woven all over pattern running along the entire body. That's the pallu, simple and classy. This has got a brocade blouse priced at 1690. Elephant grey. Beautiful color with antique zari woven borders. Selvage in red on either sides with thread and zari woven floral pattern running along the entire body. This has got a rich self pallu and a running blouse priced at 2090. Golden yellow, vibrant color, single side border with selvage in red along the top part. Cross lines of zari running along the entire body with rich Banarasi border towards the bottom part of the sari. That's the pallu, rich self pallu. This has got a plain blouse in golden yellow priced at 1650. I will always say, while the sari you choose reflects the occasion, the way you style up your blouses really reflects who you are. Blouses are where you can really show your creativity, which will instantly elevate the look of any sari. I'm wearing a rich Banarasi cotton sari. It's a Kota cotton with antique Banarasi borders and rich zari woven buttas. I will give you a few ideas on how you can style up the blouses for these kind of saris. I have matched it with a simple cap sleeved blouse today, but you can also go for a nice patterned blouse like this where you can match it up with a sari material, or you can also go for an ankle length blouse with a simple pattern. If you want such customized blouses to be done, there's an option available in the cart page, or you can always reach out to our customer support team. Grey and red. A very pretty sari with simple zari line and contrast red border along the top part. The body has got floral zari woven buttas running throughout the sari with rich Banarasi zari woven border towards the bottom part along with contrast plain border in red. That's the pallu, simple pallu. This has got a contrast blouse in red, priced at 1390. Navy blue, a very pretty sari with rich bawanji borders all over geometric and floral thread woven and zari woven pattern running along the entire body. That's the pallu, very pretty pallu. This has got a plain blouse in navy blue, priced at 1860. Teal with pink, gorgeous color with short and long Banarasi borders, very pretty thread woven pattern along with small paisley zari woven buttas running along the body. That's the pallu, simple and elegant. This has got a contrast blouse in pink, priced at 1390. Off-white, gorgeous sari with antique zari woven borders on either sides, floral thread and zari woven pattern, very classy and elegant, running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu in antique gold. This has got a brocade blouse, priced at 2090. Pale yellow and candy pink, bright and beautiful color with short and long borders on either sides. Simple temple zari along the top part of the border with very pretty geometric weaves in contrast to the body color in pink towards the bottom part. The body has got small thread and zari woven buttas running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich self pallu. This has got a running blouse, priced at 2250. Black, a very classy sari with antique thread and zari woven borders on either sides, floral buttas running throughout the sari with a rich self pallu. This has got a plain blouse in black, priced at 1860. Peach, a very pleasant color with thread woven borders on either sides, beautiful floral and geometric weaves towards the bottom part of the border with the body having small paisley thread woven buttas running all over the sari. That's the pallu, thread woven pallu, very classy. This has got a plain blouse in peach, priced at 1860. Red, single color, gorgeous sari with antique Banarasi borders and floral pattern on either sides. The body has got beautiful thread and zari woven pattern in ikat style running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich self pallu in antique golden zari. This has got a brocade blouse, priced at 1860. Dual shade of blue with purple, a very pretty sari with short and long Banarasi borders all over antique floral weaves running along the body with a rich self pallu, and this has got a running blouse, priced at 2690. Teal, a very pretty color with bawanji borders, cross weaves with thread and zari woven pattern running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich self pallu. This has got a plain blouse in teal, priced at 1860. Beige and teal, the last one for today, with selvage in teal on either sides, floral antique zari woven borders on both sides of the sari with all over thread and zari woven pattern running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich self pallu in antique gold. This has got a brocade blouse, priced at 1950. All these saris are available in our website. We have multiple pieces available in each of the designs that I had shown you today. This is just a small snippet of the entire collection. We have much more unique designs and colors that have been uploaded. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Both our stores in T Nagar and in Bangalore are decked up with similar collection. But if you're looking for the same sari that's been shown in the video or that's available online, please book them online only. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.